Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to dive into how to hack the Subway Surf game. Click on your Google Chrome and search hack Subway Surf. Scroll down to find the happy mode site. Click on it and click on download. These are the available versions. You can scroll down to check more. But here I choose the first version. Then click on download. Download anyway. Successfully installed. Let's get inside it and see the magic. Click on claim. Now see the income. We have over 1 billion coin, kills and many stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.